Hey, how are you, son-in-law?
I'm fine, Auntie. How are you?
Hey, just getting a little bit weaker. Not able to get food from in-laws, na? Buaji, for how many days you are here? I haven't counted, but like your husband, I won't stay here forever. You don't worry. Brother, sister-in-law? Where are brother, sister-in-law? Brother? Brother? Sister-in-law? Hey, brother, sister-in-law are sitting here. How are you, brother, sister-in-law? And sister-in-law, what are you cooking for your sister-in-law?
Hey, what you will eat? Whatever you will eat, we will cook that only. I will just ask Vikas' son, he will bring the stuff.
Hey, sister-in-law, if I will eat from son-in-law's money, it will be a sin. And he is also in some compulsion sitting here. What he can offer me to eat? Mother, father, first come inside, I want to talk to you. Hey, means Mom, close the door and then come. Yes. This is not going to work. I'm not going to tolerate my husband's insult anymore. Hey, whatever Buaji thinks, she says it directly. She comes here to live or she comes here to trouble my husband.
Dear, what can we say? It's helplessness. And it's not that your aunt doesn't know this. Then why is Vikas leaving his house and living with us?
Yes, I agree. We said it just once and he left his all household and he is here to live with us. So why this thing Buaji can't understand? Why she can't get it? Poor guy Vikas is living with us because we told him. And Buaji comes here and throw his suitcase of taunts on my husband's head. Mother, Vikas is silent because he doesn't need argue at home. But I won't stay quiet. If she will utter one word for my husband, na, then I will let her know that what can I do for my husband's respect. Enough. Give me one only. Keep this for your husband. He eats here for free. He must be eating more than me. What about me? If I want to eat for 1-2 times, it will work for me. Hey? You can manage now, so don't eat it. Hey, Ria? Hey, I was not saying that way. I know it very well, Buaji. What were you trying to say? Right now, get out from this home. Brother, see na how this girl is insulting me.
She's doing the right thing. You must have heard that phrase. Now you will understand. The son-in-law whom we respect. You start insulting him when you come here. Is it Ria or any other girl? No girl can tolerate her husband's insult.
And you know it very well, na? That Vikas is staying here because we told him to stay. Me and his health is not well. Every week, 3 times we have to visit doctor. And Vikas only takes us. You should be happy that brother and sister-in-law got so good son-in-law who is staying away from his parents and serving his in-laws. But no, you are jealous of this thing that why is Vikas in this home?
Auntie, I don't discriminate in my parents or Ria's parents. My younger brother is there to take care of my parents. That's why I stay here and take care of Ria's parents. And I don't want Ria's parents' property. By God's grace, I have everything.
Hey, why she will understand this thing? Her in-laws now always push her for this. That your brother's son-in-law will have property of your rights as well. And she listens to them. Buaji, you just please go from here. And I don't want to listen your sorry as well. And till the time you don't try to come to this home, till the time the poison inside you is not over. Now will you go by yourself or I will go and leave you to the gate?